It seems like you're interested in leveraging AI and automation for generating a cash flow, potentially through some animated medium. The topic is broad, but I can sketch out a roadmap to give you a clearer picture. Identify your niche. Before diving into AI and automation, decide on a specific niche or industry where there's demand. For instance, the entertainment industry has seen an increasing demand for animated content. Another option could be educational animations explaining complex topics. Leverage AI tools. Content creation. There are AI tools like Runway ML and DALL-E by OpenAI that can generate visual content. Such tools can assist or enhance the animation process. Content optimization. Use AI to analyze the performance of your content and suggest optimizations. For instance, tools can recommend the best time to post, optimal video length, or even content suggestions based on viewer feedback. Automate production. Use scripting and automation tools to streamline the animation production process. Software like Blender or After Effects supports automation and scripting to help in producing animations faster. Monetization strategies. Direct sales. If you're creating educational or entertainment content, platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even direct sales through a personal website can be profitable. Advertisements. Platforms like YouTube allow content creators to earn money from ads. As your animated content gains more views, ad revenue can increase. Affiliate marketing. Incorporate product placements in your animations or reference tools, and link to those products with affiliate links. Subscription model. Offer exclusive content to subscribers or patrons on platforms like Patreon. Promote with AI. Use AI-driven marketing platforms to promote your content. Platforms like HubSpot or Marketo have AI elements that can optimize marketing campaigns to drive more views and sales. Feedback loop. Implement AI tools to analyze viewer feedback, comments, and engagement. Use this data to refine and improve subsequent content. Scaling. Once you've established a model that works, consider expanding. Perhaps you can introduce more advanced AI tools, branch into different animation niches, or hire additional help to increase content production.